Welcome back. I'm here with my mom, Kathy.
Hi.
And we are going to declutter, but also pack up everything in her office closet.
Yes, it's time.
Pre-packing.
We're pre-packing things I won't be needing. And then I can declutter it one more time and get rid of things I don't need to take with us.
This will be the final go through.
Yes.
Before it all
And I'll
gets
be
packed
left
up.
with one bin of things I need in my office. And the closet hopefully will be cleared out. That's the goal.
I'm going to start by taking all this down. I think because we're going.
Because I know, like, where do we start? There. It's really confusing. Okay.
So I know these are your gift bags, but I'm
Let me just put them all in one.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
These are my extra bags. You know, like we have extra boxes? Well, I've also got extra bags. I'm going to put them all in one.
This is your current
art
painting stuff. So we know we want to keep this in here. This is a perfect opportunity. I saw a T-Mobile bag in there. T-Mobile. I'm just saying, maybe this is a moment to look through the bags.
No, that's really a low supply. I use them all the time. I'm constantly putting things in bags.
Just checking.
Giving them away. This is my wrapping stuff.
And a random lid.
Yeah, that goes with something else then. I have a lot of, so hot in here.
Shut your thing is shut? No.
No. This I just brought out from the garage so I could pack things. So I'm going to put this with our moving stuff because this is for packing. Oh, that's where I hid those shoes. I have a lot of comfortable shoes and I don't know where to put them.
We're going to go through this.
My other bag bin.
We try to stay as organized as possible. Now that that's all emptied up there, I'm just going to simply put your weekly art supplies back up there and the present that is going to go to Emmett.
Okay. And this is what's left of an earlier decluttering of all my craft supplies. So
you did really well that first round.
We can get rid of one of the bins. Okay. I don't need this old Velcro. I'll just buy new stuff when I need it.
Throw it into one of the tinier bins and then we can dump that into the box that's in the garage to be donated.
It's so hard to part with buttons. Okay, there's boxes,
it's not really,
but buttons. I know a lot of you agree with me. You all have a button collection.
Decluttering isn't just about getting rid of things. It's also about being more intentional about what I keep. And that goes for the products I use on my skin. I've really simplified my skincare lately, and I've been using something that I'm excited to show you today. This video is sponsored by Ocoa, and I've been recently using their dual action lifting cream. Before I apply it, I always use moisturizer to start, which is really important. And then I go in with the dual action lifting cream. For reference, I have combination skin and I'm pretty picky about what I use on my face. I only need to use one pump and gently massage it in. The texture is very lightweight and not greasy at all. Within seconds, you can start to feel a tingling sensation and my skin feels more smooth and looks lifted and refreshed right away. It's powered by Idea Lift peptide technology, which helps improve skin elasticity over time. After using it consistently, I've noticed my skin feels firmer and has a healthier, natural radiance, especially around the fine lines. It works for all skin types and comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so it feels very low risk to try this out. If you want the best value, check out the subscription or duo options for savings and free shipping. You can try Ocoa by clicking the link in my description and use code Shannon15 for an exclusive 15% off. And thank you to Ocoa for sponsoring today's video. And I know this will all fit in here. So one box is completely empty now.
Okay, that's good. Cement for plastic, fast drying. Okay, I don't need that. Sew on patches. Have a nice day.
This is just taking up extra space in a box in a box.
It's a box thing, obviously my generation. I'll save that later. I'll dig it out later and save it. No. Okay, so
we are trying to downsize here. I'm trying to keep us on track. Just that little box that was inside this box took up so much room.
Yeah, it did.
The extra box in a box.
Yeah.
I would like to go out on a limb here and say that should have never been purchased.
Don't put a box in a box.
That little box should never have been.
I know. They're so easy to buy, and you can just imagine putting a million things in there, but if you have a bigger box, you don't need a little box in a big box. Oh. All right, I don't need this one.
We've compacted it down into one.
Those are my new exercise bands for my exercise class. So I have my workout stuff up there. I'll have to combine this with that.
Let's remember, we're only keeping things in here that you're going to be using for the next month or two.
Yes.
Until your house.
And we're going to pull this out too, the whole thing.
We are making 2 piles, stuff she'll need in the next few months and other items that can be packed away.
Has anybody ever tried one of these things? They're head scratchers. They're really cool.
Anything you could declutter from this, or you've been through this?
No, I've been through that.
And you don't need anything out of here as far as decluttering?
Not that I know of. I decluttered my hats. I got rid of a lot of them, and now I have...
You're going to wear this one?
Yes, I wear this when I walk.
And that other one?
I wear all of those, yes.
Do you wear them all at one time?
Yes, I do. This is how I wear my hats when I can't decide. I just put them all on. There we go.
Because we went through this closet not that long ago and especially went over these shelves, there was not a lot to declutter, but it was great to be able to pack it all away and get it ready for when they do move.
There,
That,
just like
and
that.
then
What else? What else?
That's it.
Okay.
Lid on this one. We did not bring the lids in
Okay,
here.
there.
I'm going to put the scales in here. I'm going to take this out of here because I know that she needs this and is going to keep it in here for now. And then we can take this off the wall. It is secured to the wall, and we're going to take this out to the garage. I need to get a screwdriver. The 777 sign.
It's back.
It never left.
It's back.
We're having a hard time getting rid of that. We're trying to use mics, and we are on a major learning curve. We're going to remember to put it back on now.
I always forget to put it on.
Also, it turned out that, and I do apologize if the noise was sounding funny, because I was wearing a mic, she's wearing a mic, and then you went out to the garage.
And you were recording
and I was
in here.
recording something in here, and it was recording everything she was saying to my dad in the garage. So this video will be very interesting when it comes to editing. I'm going straight down to the floor.
Okay, watch out. It's heavy.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Don't let me hit the mirror. Is it going to hit the mirror?
Not yet. Okay, there, you're good.
In a new executive decision, we have decided to declutter the shelf. Now we need to do this side,
okay.
get everything out.
I'm going to keep my hats here. So these are photo albums that just need to get packed. This is all that's left of all my photo albums.
To go through and stuff, yeah. Well, we have that big bin over there, so I'll just start stacking them in there.
Some of you might be asking, why would you start packing when you don't really have a moving date and you don't know a lot about what's going to be happening? But our thought is that we have the time now and we don't want to be stressed out and rushed when the time does come. So it just makes sense to do this now while we have the time.
Here, this. I know, I buy those for my...
Can I please?
No. I buy those special for the size of prints I use. Look, they're too hard to find. I go to IKEA and I buy them. You see them on this side. That one.
To give away to people, I hope.
I do. I give them to you. They're in your house. That's all.
This is all your files, right?
That's my business files. Yep.
Business.
Business.
Now, dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
What I want to do is I brought this bin in here so we could at least just, I'm going to hand you things and things you don't need. We could just put in there. We could always rearrange it.
We'll put the big ones in first. I'm just going to stack these here. This thing I can say I'm going to get rid of. I bought this
That was mine.
heavy thing.
That was mine to start.
All right. I'm going to get rid of it because it has a few drawings in it, but nothing, and it's so heavy.
What I'm trying to do right now is called Get the Show on the Road. We're just trying to get everything out of this closet because, not that we're on a time crunch, but we do have a limited time before we have to go get one of my sons from school, and then we'll be back. But I want to get everything out. This looks like it's all been earmarked for a family.
Yes.
Do you want to keep that here then?
Yeah, just leave that
and we'll make a trip to...
I'm planning to go. We'll be going there soon so we can see them and share. Okay, these...
Probably just stack.
I'll just move them out for now.
Wow, it's a clown car of stuff.
I know.
This is how any closet would be. I know a lot of people say, wow, you got a lot of stuff. But if you go and empty any closet in your home, your kitchen, whatever, completely out, it looks like a lot of stuff.
I'll call my people box buddies.
We have I know you said you use felt, but I'm not sure if you use this much felt, but we're talking
lots of
Joann's fabric amount of felt.
And I have already gone through this before and whittled it down to this much. I had a lot.
There's no way you're making this many Christmas ornaments.
I know. But the thing is, I'm just going to take it. I'll get rid of it later. It fits in this drawer thing. I'm just going to take it. You're going to come to my classes. I'm going to have art classes and craft classes.
All I'm saying is maybe whittle it down a little bit.
No, it fits. See? It fits right in there. There's no whittling.
Will it fit in the new place is the question.
Well, if it doesn't, then I'll get rid of it. I know we're downsizing.
That's what I'm always trying to point out.
But I've been downsizing.
Can this go?
Yes.
That's going?
The kids don't need this for their thing at your house?
No.
Okay.
Thank you. And can this please go?
Yes. Blackboard.
We have emptied it.
Really?
So, yes, it's all out. I feel like worn out.
I know. Me too.
I feel tired and worn out right now. Sometimes projects like this can be exhausting, just getting it out.
It is.
And that's why we're taking the whole day to do this and not feel rushed or anything. But we did have to just get it out. Now what we've left in there is some stuff that is earmarked for family and friends that she has notes on each item. We're going to get that to the right people.
Right. I need
we
that.
have left everything that you're going to use in your daily life until you sell your home. And we have that stuff down there as well. So all the stuff that we can stack up, let's put a note on now that says Kathy's office and let's take it out there. Yeah. Her favorite place to shop, Chico's bag.
That's why.
Is that a Chico's shirt?
Yes.
See?
It's probably 2 years old, but it's still holding up.
Mommy and Mommy.
There you go.
So now we got this. Is this going to be super heavy? Oh, it's not too bad.
Our neighbor's family just moved, so we're using their old boxes, but they're already labeled kitchen and everything, so we'll have to.
That will be confusing when you move.
I know, I'll have to cross them out.
There.
Okay, this one goes out.
Okay. We're back from the big pickup and drop off, and I don't even know what we did, but we are back, and we're going to start filling in more boxes.
Okay.
Now, I don't know where this came from, but
I don't know. We bought some. We got a lot of donations from movers thing. This can go in there.
That can go. All right, so let's just seal this up then. Write office. Then you know
where it came from.
Yeah, that way we know where it's going to go.
Tricky. Oh. Let's push that. See if it'll fit in there next to it. Yeah, that should fit.
There, perfect. Here, just go throw all this away in the trash because I think that's mostly trash.
Okay.
At this point, it was like a game of Tetris trying to get everything to fit in here, but our goal was to get the room put back together by the end of this cleaning out session because they are having their home viewed. They do have open homes, so we had to get it put back together.
Yeah, let's just take all the rest of these things out and put them in the garage.
All right.
Because really we're at the point now where that doesn't need to go in a box.
Can you carry that by yourself?
Maybe. Let's see.
There's no handles.
There's no handles. I got it.
You sure?
Yeah. Just open the...
Okay.
So funny.
This is a file box. I'm going to go through these and get rid of most of this stuff.
Tonight, you said.
Tonight. And then I'll...
Now that the room is completely empty from all that stuff, we'll stage it.
Okay.
We'll show you how the realtors and stagers showed us how to do it. When the realtors went through the house and told us what to do and how to stage it, they said they thought it would look good instead of keeping this as a full office to show this as a bedroom by adding a faux bed.
Yes.
And they gave us this to use, which is really cool.
And these just come down.
They just go straight down. We gotta have a little room for the plug. Let us show you. This is a blow-up mattress. Wait, lift it. There. Ta-da!
See? Plug it in and put some more air in it.
Yeah. Looks like a bed.
Wow. Instant bedroom.
I think that looks good.
It's a little hard.
It's all staged and ready for your next open home. How do you feel about everything we've done so far?
Well, I'm happy with it. We packed up everything from my office except for the few things I need for the next however long it takes to sell the house.
Yeah, however long.
But I didn't realize I had so much stuff in there, and I know I still need to go through it again when I have time, when I'm there, and then decide what I'll keep and what I'll get rid of.
I think it is hard right now for you to know because, like you said, you don't know how much space you're going to have to organize, where you're going to want to put things. So I do imagine that once you're in the new place, you'll really have a good idea of what to get rid of and
Yes,
what
right.
you'll use.
Right.
And maybe you'll even want to think about if you will do the crafting or not.
Well, if I don't,
We'll see.
mainly paint, mainly
Yeah.
watercolor painting. That's my main thing.
No, I was talking about maybe like the felt.
The felt.
Just kidding.
Guess what Shannon's getting for Christmas? A box of felt.
I'm going to become a felter. So I think you've done an amazing job here. We did not declutter a ton of stuff,
No.
but I do feel that we got rid of a few items.
We went to the thrift store and
trash.
got rid of that big cabinet. We're not going to need that.
Yes.
Yes,
That was great. So when we took off to get my son, we swung by the secondhand store and dropped it off.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
Gone.
that's out of the way.
And now, as you just saw in this closet here, we do have it open now, so we could paint it or fix it up if you
Make it
decide
look
you have
nicer.
time.
Yeah, because it's kind of beat up in there. So
Just a coat of paint might make it look really good.
Yeah, that'll be good.
And other than that, I think we did a great job today. You
I
did
know.
a
Thank
lot.
you for your help.
I'm excited about
Yes.
this. And now you're ready. So
This room,
when the time
this room's
comes,
just about done. Yeah.
you're ready to go.
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much for joining us on this journey of decluttering and downsizing with my mom. If you're new, you can hit the subscribe button to join the channel. And a big thank you to Ocoa, which is today's sponsor. And there's more information in the description box about that. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.